Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started the Telegram as well as the Facebook groups, and both the two links I kept in the description box of this video, so the interested candidates may join in that group guys. And in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the government university, and here it is the assistant professor level 10 category. So the entry pay is 57,700 rupees per month. Going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. To the present content of the video, it is Vishwa Bharati. It is a national institution of national importance guys. So it is a very good opportunity. So recruitment for the post of a professor, associate and assistant professor through direct recruitment process. Total 106 vacant positions are there. And here you may check down the professor and associate professor vacancies are also there. So if you did the PhD, then you may check down those list. Anyhow, I will provide this PDF link at the end of this video description box. So you may check down. So here directly I am showing you the assistant professor vacancies. So here the departments are Sanskrit, Pali and Japanese and Arabic, Persian, Urdu and Islamic studies, English, ancient Indian history, and economics and politics, education, physical education, animal science, agricultural economics, mathematics, zoology, social work and Rabindra Sangeet, dance and drama, Hindustani classical music and Hindustani classical music, Sangeet Bhavana. So these are the different departments or the subject guys. Okay, so you may check down name of the post and department. As per the caste category, the number of vacancies are mentioned here. So out of the 106, total 20 number of assistant professor vacancies are there. And now coming to the qualification. So for professor and associate professor, anyhow the PhD is required. So you may check down. But while coming to the assistant professor, here the qualification requirement is that, it is assistant professor, so academic level 10 and the pay scale is mentioned here. Master's degree with 55% of marks, along with that one the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there in the particular department. Okay, so these are the eligibility conditions, and it is official website guys. It is official website of the Vishwa Bharati. So here you may see that scrolling teaching positions advertisement number 1/2021. So if you click on this one, then you will be directed to the online application link, and here go to the important information. Here you may check down the advertisement and the helplines. Click on that one. So here the online application starting date is 27th Jan and the closing date is given as 27th Feb, but now it is extended to 15th March 2021. And here the helpline numbers are also there. If you are having any queries regarding the notification advertisement, so you may contact to these numbers, or else the mail ID is also provided here. So you may check down. Okay. So these are the details regarding this one guys. So anyhow, you just go through this one. I will provide the link as I told earlier. Okay. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. And please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to